Alright, good evening everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 6-4 3-box break site, doing last night's dual team buy it now of 11-12 contenders. So we'll quickly run through the teams. We'll give our two 5+ team winners their spell and win letter. Just a reminder, June 2nd, last day to get your letters. That'll be the final break this Sunday. So our participants here on May 30th, just after 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we got Bummer Boy in there, grabbed a few. We've got Aldred, DJ Null's mom, DWH, Matt K, welcome to the breaks. Mike 420 Howlett, also welcome to the breaks. Subterfuge. So you guys see who we have. So 5+ teams, so that's 3 pairings. Aldred and Bummer Boy. So we'll give Ruben his first letter from this break, and it will be a letter N. Letter N. And for Jack, I know Jack wants that letter K, but he's getting a letter R. Hey, don't worry, there's people that'll be after those letters. Alright, our box of contenders, as stated in the description, 181114490. Yeah, the next bonus is in the works. Should be a good one as well. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Box is empty. Alright, pack number 1. So once again, all the hits will be mailed out. If you need any of the base, let me know. And we start with a base pack. Second one's also a base pack. And we got an NHL ink for the Calgary Flames and DJ Noah's mom, Mark Giordano. So congrats, Aaron. Base. Base pack. Another base pack. Base pack. Base. For the Washington Capitals, and Aldred 87. Calder Contenders 339 out of 999. Dmitry Orlov. And base. We got a nice auto, this one for the Buffalo Sabres. And Aldred 87, numbered 416 out of 800. Calder Contender Auto, Zach Cassian. Base. Base pack. Another base pack. Should still get another auto. Let's hope it's a patch auto. Or an NHL Ink Gold. So NHL Ink Gold, this one going to the Dallas Stars. And Matt K, welcome to the breaks. You got a gold NHL Ink of Kari Lehtinen. And those ones are numbered. This one numbered 18 out of 25. And base. Base pack. Another base pack. Calder Contenders signature for our buddy from the Philadelphia Flyers, going to DWH 78, Zach Ronaldo. And base. Cup Contender for the Philadelphia Flyers, 186 out of 999. Once again for Dave, DWH 78, Danny Briere. Base. 2 packs left. Base pack, and our final pack for this dual team buy it now of Contenders. And we get a hit for Mike Subterfuge, for his personal collection, if he doesn't have it, numbered 59 out of 100. Got a James Reimer parallel base. 59 out of 100 for you, Mike. And base. So that ends it for this box of Contenders. We'll do our 2 quick bonuses. So we'll take 2 chips for bonus box break 19 and then assign our 3 spell and win letters. Just a reminder to visit the site right now. Auctions begin closing in 1 minute for Crown Royal. So our 2 spots for bonus box break 19 will be the Vancouver Canucks, Bummer Boy, and the Detroit Red Wings, which is Mike 420 Howlett. So spot for you, bonus box break 19, which will be the new anthology in about a week to a week and a half. So now let's assign our 3 spell and win letters. So first letter, letter A will pass on the If we get any A, E, I, O, or U, we'll just pass on them. So letter L. To the Anaheim Ducks. Whoop. W. To the Colorado Avalanche. That's Matt K. And our third and final letter. Letter T. To Detroit. That's Mike 420 Hallett. So the three of you get spell and win letters. Make sure to check the forum to see what you can win. Reminder, it ends on Sunday. So thanks a lot, guys. That was our quick bin of contenders. Not the best of box, but a couple decent hits. Nice NHL ink gold. And the Reimer's a good hit for Mike. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in a few minutes once the auctions are done. So probably about 15 minutes at 10 Eastern Time. We'll start breaking Crown Royal. So get bidding. And once again, we will do the exact same thing for Crown. For the spell and win letters, Jack, we will avoid the A's, the I's, the E's. You guys don't need those. Let's focus on the other ones, and let's give away some prizes this week. All right, thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you guys shortly.